Hi Justin, it's a pleasure to have you today for this talk at the Embedded World.
Yeah, no, it's great to be here, Sergio. Thanks for having me at your booth.
Can you tell something about edge processing and how much is important for NXP in this time?
Yeah, I mean, to me, edge processing really represents the future of our company and really a big part of the future of our industry. There's a really kind of amazing opportunity that we face today, which is like, how do you combine all these technologies from microcontrollers to processing to connectivity and security and really bring this capability together into a solution that can help bring new technology to market and really open up new applications for our customers.
And considering the announcement of the new M6 family, how do you think that this can bring value on the edge environment?
Every application needs a microcontroller. I mean, realistically, almost every opportunity in the market requires some sort of MCU, but it's not good enough just to have one MCU. You need to have a whole platform. So what we've decided to do at NXP is build one common microcontroller platform, which we call MCX, our new MCU, built on 40 nanometer embedded flash with a consistent approach with the Cortex M33. So we can really build the starting point with what hopes to be kind of a really interesting next 10, 20 years together in the market.
This is really interesting, and do you think there are some challenges that with the M6 family you can address in a better way than with other family in the past?
Yeah, I mean, so, I think what we've tried to do is build a platform that scales. I think scalability is probably one of the most important things, and consistency to the market. And so what we've done is really tried to think about what are some of the applications that we can enable with MCX and put that thought into the roadmap and put it into the portfolio. So, some of our customers may need a smaller package, other, a larger pin package. So how can we address the different use cases within the MCX family to really open up new possibilities?
What do you think will be the future of the M6 family, considering the edge processing evolution?
So it's about thinking about what the future might hold and trying to kind of bring that back into our investments today and prepare for what can become the possibilities tomorrow. And so what we've been doing is really learning from what we've done in the past, both with LPC and Kinetis, and learning from EBV as well. What are the customers and what is the market doing today where we can really lead the market and things like machine learning at the edge, which is never a possibility in MCU, but now with some of the investments we're making really starts to become a possibility inside the microcontroller.
Yeah, and exactly on the way you can make it easier for the customer to use. On the launch, together with the hardware, what will be available in terms of software ecosystem for the M6 family?
Yeah, so I think first, obviously it starts with differentiated silicon, but then it's about wrapping the silicon around with software and tools to make any of the peripherals easy to use. But that's not enough. It's also combining what we do with you, EBV, to help enable our customers to be successful. So for example, on the machine learning, we're building application packs on top of our SDK to give a starting point. And the starting point, I think, is good for customers to be able to access the technology. But I think together, we can then start to really further enable applications and make the technology something that's really accessible to more customers across Europe.
Considering that you expect that many customers will move from competitor or from your current family to M6, how difficult or how easy is the possibility to reuse existing software and resources?
Yeah, I think what's exciting to me is making the product interesting enough where people want to go use MCX, our new MCU. And I think for sure we've done that. There's capability in the device that takes really a step function into the future, which we weren't able to do and we hadn't done previously with LPC and Kinetis. But there's certainly a lot of commonality from what we've done the past 10 or 20 years and where we plan to go for the next 20 years. And what we're doing is building application notes, migration guides, and software and tools to make that transition easier. But I think clearly, we're really looking forward to seeing how we can address new use cases that haven't been possible before.
Justin, considering this new M6 family, what do you would like to advise to the customer to start with the project?
I think it's a great question. Actually, here at Embedded World, we actually launched or announced the availability of VS Code for MCX. I think it's really a testament to NXP's commitment to making our products both easy to use, but also having differentiated software and tools. I think the time is great now to actually work together with EBV to kick off projects on the new silicon and take advantage of some of the new software and tools we have available, offering free of charge to our customers.
Thank you very much. I think that is really a great opportunity for all the customer, for EBV and for NXP to engage on a lot of new projects with the M6 family. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sergio.